Hello food lovers, it's Sunday and it's time for another delicious recipe. Today I will share with you a traditional Romanian recipe, boiled sweet cheese dumplings. In a small frying pan, melt 50 grams unsalted butter at medium heat. Add 125 grams breadcrumbs and fry it until it has a brown color, stirring occasionally. Transfer it to a bowl and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, we will take care of the dumplings. In a medium bowl, add 250 grams cream cheese, 1 egg, and 20 grams powdered sugar. Stir until the egg is well incorporated in the cream cheese. For an extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients. Add 80 grams semolina and stir until well combined. The last step is to incorporate 30 grams all-purpose flour. Transfer the dough on a well-floured surface. Sprinkle some flour on top as well because the dough is very sticky. Form a 4 cm cylinder. Cut it in 2 cm pieces. Form a round shape with each piece and press with your finger in the middle of it. Meanwhile, boil some water in a large pan. Add all dumplings and season with salt. As soon as we add them in the water, we will notice that they are positioned to the bottom of the pan. Once boiled, they will rise, and this is the time you need to cover them and let them boil for another 10 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar in the breadcrumbs and stir until well combined. Drain well the dumplings and add them on a medium bowl. Add 10 grams unsalted butter and stir until the butter is completely melted. The last step is to add the breadcrumbs mixture on top of our dumplings and stir until well combined. Transfer them on a plate and let them cool completely before serving. If you enjoy my recipes, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel for a new recipe every week. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.